Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. In this session, I'll be sharing to you how you want to do a virtual class using a big blue buttons. Right, once you log into LMS, you select the specific subject that you wish to do for your virtual class, or this one could be setting early on. For example, this is the layout basically in order for you to add your virtual classroom. First, please make sure that you turn the editing on in order for you to add the big blue button. Here, in any sessions that you wish to do, for example, this is referring to the week 3. It's up to you on how you want to edit or setting up your module. If you wish to add more weeks or more sections, you can add here, add weeks towards the end of the other weeks. Here, right, first thing first, once you turn on the editing, you add an activity or resources. Here are the list of all activities. You can click on the following tab for specific categories. You also can find all activities offered in LMS. Okay, for the virtual class, you need to use the big blue button or BN. If you're unsure what specific these activities are referring to, you can click the I buttons here. This is for information basis. Now click the big blue buttons. Okay, here are the setting up for big blue buttons to week 3. It is similar functions like Google Meet, but more plug-in activities through LMS. First, for instant types, room activity with recordings, it's really encouraged for you to record while you do presentations with your students, so that for those students who are left out in class or perhaps not attend the class, they can view it later on. For general settings, saying virtual classroom, select introductory or any sort of like topic for the sessions. So notify this change to users enrolled. Basically, you are notifying your students if any settings will change. And if for general settings, you may describe this will be explanation for your students beforehand. You can either display the description on course page, or otherwise you just leave it there. So you can notify this change to users enrolled. Let's say the students can receive any notification through LMS. And for the activity room settings, welcoming message, this is basically it's an optional for you. So this session can be recorded. For viewing the recording, all users should be enrolled, just like more you conducting the restricted access. So here I am as a moderator, and all users enrolled should be as viewers. So you can add more if you wish to, more role or more users. You can also add another moderator who have team teaching with you, so that you can share the same video recording with other sections as well. In terms of next one, in terms of a schedule for sessions, you can schedule when your student can join and when it can be closed. So basically, you have the power to monitor or to schedule managing your virtual class, saying I'm enabled at this moment at 1. so it can remain open whenever necessary. Next one is the common module settings. This one, availability. There's no compulsory mode here, but it's only for your suggestions and if you want to add more further details for the common module settings. Next one is restrict access, saying that this video is particular for section 1 or specific sections, or otherwise you can remain it's open to other sections. If you are team teaching or you have another colleagues teaching together with you, you may share this video with them. But if you need to specifically this virtual classroom only for your sections, so you can add the restrictions. For add restriction access, this already discussed on a previous video. For this activity completions, so completion tracking, basically the students once they log in and then they click to the video recording or even attending the actual virtual class, they can manually mark the activity as completed. They actually can monitor themselves on how they want to participate in class. So tags, basically it is like a keyword. Competencies is like more like on how they want to pass the marks or even their participation in class. Basically it's an optional for the students and also for the teachers to actually do the setting up. So save and display. Right, here is where the students can view. Introductory of DSR, this is our first virtual class, hope to see you soon. This conference room is ready, you can join the session now. Okay, once if you're setting up the date, basically you need to make sure that the time frame is correct, and if you wish to look at how your class, virtual class as a demonstration purpose, you can do on the current time that you have at this moment. So now the room is available, so join sessions. So here basically once you click,
you are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, now as you can see here,
you are now muted.
Alright, the computer basically, once you log into the join sessions or you join the join sessions, it will open to a new window. Okay, this is basically your PowerPoint slides. Here, if you can see the slide 1, 2, 3 and others. You can add more slides here by adding slides. Okay, now in these sessions you can see that message, public chat. Okay, this is where the title of your virtual class, and this is title of this video, and you can click this one once you wish to start your recordings, and your pictures, your video will be appeared here. And this basically a cursor where you can show the tools, whatever you want to discuss. Similar like an online PowerPoint slides. This is the colors. Undo annotations, clear all annotations, multi-user whiteboard on. So here, let's say you got 2 colleagues together with you, and which basically the names will be appeared during your presentation. Bear in mind, this will be recording once you click the start recording here. Okay, also you can share the notes with your students. Here you can see the plus buttons, actions required, upload the presentation. So, it is very encouraged during using a BigBlueButton, you need to use the PDF format. You can drag your files or even upload. On the next session, I will introduce to you on how you want to fully utilize the BigBlueButtons. Thank you.